here with RPG hair again. So let's jump into what's inside today's package. As usual, you know, the wig comes in this drawstring bag, and then I got, you know, the goodie bag as well as the pamphlet that's always on the inside, you know. With the inside here, you can find how to care for your wig and all that good stuff, the different laces and all that information. So inside the goodie bag, we have an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, extra adjustable band, and a flyaway tamer. So what we got here is a gorgeous, oh my gosh, this is so soft. This is a gorgeous soft 14-inch curly bob. Yeah guys, this is a 5x5 lace closure bob. Alright, this is a glueless lace closure bob, and I'm loving it. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-tinted, all of that. You don't need to do nothing. It's literally a slip on and go, a wear and go. The lace portion looks so good, very realistic, because you know this is what we're doing all summer, right? And beyond. Gorgeous, realistic, glueless wigs. Nothing can beat that. Like, and it comes with a side part. Actually, you could part it anywhere you want to part it, like within the closure. It's a 5x5, so you have a good amount of space. The hair is a natural 1B color, and it is a tight curly texture. As you can see, it's 180% in density. All right, pretty nice and full, and as I said, it feels really soft. I love how it feels. Very nice blunt cut to it, and it doesn't have that dry feeling, you know. Feels really good. So inside the cap construction looks like this. It has adjustable straps in the back, a total of 3 combs on the inside, and the adjustable strap that was placed on the inside, you can insert it within the cap here for more security, which I'm definitely going to do, because I feel like when it comes down to glueless wigs, the adjustable strap plays a huge part in the security and how well the lace lays. So always ensure that you attach your adjustable strap on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and slip it on and show you guys that this is, you don't need any adhesive, no gel, no spray, nothing to wrap this wig. I'm gonna attach the adjustable strap that came on the inside. So I love the fact that they added this portion here. You see the shiny piece is like plastic, but it makes it very much like a non-slip vibe to the adjustable band, so it's hard for it to slip off your head. Love that. I don't usually part my hair on this side though. If I'm doing a side part, I part it on this side. So I'm gonna show you that it's easy to switch your parting anywhere you feel. So that's, I'm gonna change the direction of the parting. But before I even go in any further, let me just cut away the excess lace. You see that? Where is the lace? Wait there. Please find it. Please find it and show me, because it's just so immaculate every time. Listen, this doesn't get old for me, okay? I love a good lace. I love a really nice natural wig hairline. Like, no baby hairs, no edges needed. Like, I know how much a lot of you are against that. I love a good edge though. Don't get me wrong, because you know, so to them I show you no edge tomorrow, it's all baby hairs, okay? But it's always good when you don't need, like, to just reassure you guys that you really don't need edges, or you don't need baby hair to rock a wig. You really don't. You don't even need glue. Right? You know what I love with these closure wigs as well? If you want, you could definitely part it and you could put it in a ponytail, because even though you only have lace on the middle portion here, nobody can see. Like the side, just it's flat and it blends in nicely. Like it blends in nicely, so I love that. So all right, we're gonna change the direction of the parting. And I'm just gonna use my hot comb to get it nice and flat. So I just need you guys to take a moment and look how good this looks, especially now that I'm fluffing it out more. I push this piece behind my ear, like no one would know that this is a closure, like no one. It's so nice and full and fluffy. I love the voluminous vibe that it's giving. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with a little water, but no additional product, because I want it to dry back with this volume. And we're just gonna make the parting a little bit more precise, but everything looks A1 and I'm loving that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at those curls. That is so nice. It's like some really juicy curls, and I love how laid it is. Like, you see how laid it is in the front with no product at all. I feel like I high-key be giving you so much options as it relates to glueless wigs. You can't say also come is with wigs where you have a glue and you have to go bring that to your hairdresser and you can't buy that. No. One thing I can say, I'm gonna give you guys a convenience wig. Tell the truth. No, but it's really good. Like, I love these options from you guys. I love it. So yeah, you see how easy it is though? You see, like, this is that's the wig look for today, guys. Honestly and truly, quick, easy, to the point. You don't have to do a baga. It's too good. Let me know what you guys think. But you don't know the drill already, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, it's listed down below. Alright? And I don't know, if I have any discount code, anything like that, it will also be listed, so you can make use of that. And that's it. That is it. That's all for today's wig look. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like the wig, you know, all that good stuff, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and just want to stay tuned. One big up on the shout out to RPGHAIR Wig once more for another bomb wig. They did their thing. It's gorgeous. Look at that, gorgeous. Can't complain, really and truly. Highly beginner friendly. So yeah, that's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.